iRobot has a new Roomba vacuum cleaner that is smarter and removes one of the most frustrating things about owning a robot cleaner. It's called the Roomba i7 Plus and it's on sale from September 12th, and this is what's different about it. Now, current Roomba models map your house as they clean, discovering the nooks and crannies, chairs and tables, walls and obstacles as they navigate. They build up this map and then they promptly forget it. Every time they switch off, when they come on again, they start mapping again. Well, the Roomba i7 Plus, which I saw in operation recently, here it is, remembers the map so that it can plan a more efficient cleaning mission in advance. The map that it generates is stored and you can name the different rooms in your house on it. And then you can set an even more detailed cleaning schedule. For example, you can set it to clean, say, your living room and hallway once a day, but the guest bedroom only once a week. Also new inside it are sensors that attempt to detect specific types of dirt or debris and launch a customized cleaning mode. An acoustic sensor listens for the sound of grains of sand or similar dirt to trigger extra cleaning runs, while an optical sensor looks for pet hair or fur to turn up the cleaning power. Now that's all great, but here's what I think is the best idea. The dirt box on a robot vacuum cleaner isn't usually very large, and if you own one of these things, you know the frustrations of it stopping halfway through because it's full and you forgot to empty it. Well, that hassle is gone. The base of this is essentially an upright vacuum cleaner built into the dock. When the i7 Plus comes back to base, a vacuum in the dock starts up, sucking the dirt out of the robot so its dirt box is empty. In a demo I saw, it just took a few seconds. There's a dust bag in the base station, and iRobot says it will hold about 30 times the volume of the vacuum cleaner's own dirt box. The Roomba i7 is compatible with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. You can trigger it with voice commands, and if you've mapped out rooms on the map in the vacuum cleaner, you can even tell it to do things like, hey, go clean the living room. It's available from September 12th and it will cost an eye-watering $949 with the vacuum dock. With a regular charging dock, it's $699, and the vacuum dock alone, if you want to buy it later, $299. Now, the vacuum dock mates with a special outlet on the Roomba i7 Plus. You can't use it with current Roombas. TechHive.com will have a full review of this soon, so watch for it and find out if it's really worth $949.